Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Huawei Nova 9 SE. Firstly, open your top navigation bar and find here this button, screen recorder. If you don't have this button here, in the right top corner we got pencil, tap it and choose Add Switches. And now scroll down and find this button here on the bottom, and then press and hold, for example like this, and drag to top to add. And click Done. Now when we add here screen recorder button, tap it, and here we got our screen recorder panel. So, and left side it's button for turn on or turn off your microphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.